guys a pointer on maybe how you can get a one and done out of a fluid end a little more easily in the field. So what I've done is I've taken my fluid end off of a pump that we're running in on a test end, and I've put a cap on one end and a plug in the other end. Then what I did is I filled the fluid end with methanol. And I took the plunger that came out with the fluid end and I filled it to the bottom of the packing chamber. And now what I've done is put the plunger in. I'm just going to wrap this with a rag and just give a little tap. That elevates the packing out of the packing chamber. You might be able to get a vice grip on it or a set of channel locks. You can add a little more chemical if you want to jack that out a little bit further. Like I said, I'm just using methanol. I like methanol, it cleans up nicely. There we go.